Fear of failure is something almost everyone feels, but quite honestly, very few people talk about it. It's that quiet voice in your mind that says, what if I try and it does not work? It stops you before you even begin. It makes you overthink, delay, and sometimes completely give up on your dreams. But here's the truth: fear of failure is not your enemy. If you understand it properly, it can become your strength. Let's understand where this fear comes from. Most of the time, it's not really about the fear of failure itself, it's about what that failure represents. From a young age, we are taught that failure is bad. Good grades are rewarded, mistakes are criticized, and slowly this belief grows with time and eventually becomes a barrier in our progress and growth. Think about it differently. Every successful person that you come to admire today was once a failure. The only difference between you and them is they did not stop. They kept on moving, and that is why they are today where they are. Now, the question is, how do you remove this fear? Instead of thinking, what if I fail, try to think that, what if I learn something valuable? You don't need to be perfect, you just need to start. Take small steps, break down your task, your goal into small manageable actions. And as you overcome every hurdle, every obstacle, learn to celebrate mini victories, small accomplishments, small victories, small achievements. Accept that failure is normal. It is not a sign of weakness. It is a sign that you are trying. People who never fail are usually the ones who never take risks because growth does not come without risk. Stop caring too much about what others think. Most people are too busy with their own lives to judge you. And even if they do, their opinions are not worth it. It's not journey, not theirs. In the end, fear of failure never completely disappears, but it does not have to control your life. Start today because your dreams are bigger than your fears.